students. In this video we are going to do the book back exercise on negative and also the question sentence in the continuous form. So in the previous video itself I have given you the instructions and also about the rules to make a sentence into negative and also a question which is in the continuous form. So let me give you the short recap about the continuous form. So what is continuous form? Very good. A verb which comes with ing, when we are talking about the action which is happening continuously, we add ing to the verb. Okay. So the verb which comes with ing, it represents the continuous form, and this continuous form has two types that we have learned about the two types of continuous form. First one is present continuous and second one is past continuous. And for making the continuous form into the negative continuous sentences, we need to add not only after the be form verb, like I am playing will be like I am not playing. Okay, after the be form verb we need to add not, then only the verb plus ing, verb plus ing. And what about question? Yes, in the question this be form verb will come first and then the subject and then the verb with ing. Okay, so this is what we have learned. So let's start doing the exercise. Okay, so it is in your book page number 94 only. So there are 4 sentences I have written on the board. There are 5 sentences. The last one you should do by yourself, because after doing 4 questions it will be very easy for you to do the 5th one. Okay, so let's start doing it one by one. So first one, Asim is cycling on the pavement. Asim is cycling on the pavement. Pavement is nothing but it's a kind of street only. Okay, so Asim வந்து pavementல streetல cycling பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. This is the present continuous tense. Okay, so what do we need to make? We need to change it into negative sentence and a question. And for all these questions, first answer will be negative form and second answer will be question form. Okay, so let's start making the negative sentence. Okay, so for making the negative sentence, what do I need to add? I need to add not only but where. First I need to write the subject and then the be form verb and then only not. So here I have written the clue. So for making the negative sentence, I need to write the subject first. Here the subject is Asim. Then I need to write the be form verb. The be form verb here is, and then instead of writing cycling first, I need to write not, and then only all other words, that is cycling on the pavement, and its end with full stop. See, Asim is cycling on the pavement is a normal sentence. When I change it into negative, the sentence will be like Asim is not cycling on the pavement. Asim வந்து இப்போ pavementல cycling பண்ணல, அதுதான் meaning. Okay, so let's make the question sentence. Okay, for making question sentence, first do I need to write the subject or the be form verb? Yes, I need to write the be form verb first only. Okay, so whenever we make the question sentence, the question words will come first. Okay, so in the previous videos, in the auxiliary verb or do family verb, whenever we make the auxiliary verbs will come first and then only the subject. Here also same thing is going to be happen. That is what we are going to write. This is first and then the subject and then all other words. It is very easy. See, first I need to write is, then the subject Asim, and then all other words. Asim is will be changed into is Asim and then all other words, that is cycling on the pavement, and it should end with question mark. Is Asim cycling on the pavement? Asim pavement la cycle ஓட்டிட்டு இருக்கானா, ஓட்டிக்கொண்டிட்டு இருக்கானா, அதுதான் meaning. Okay, are you clear children? See, very easy. When we are changing into negative, you need to put not in between the is and in between the verb also. Okay, between you need to put not and then all other words will come as it is. And for making question sentence, you need to put this word, okay, that is, am, are, was, were, this be form verb first, and then you will change. This page only will be interchange, okay. This will come first and then this will go next and all other words will come as it is. I hope you are clear with this first question. Let's go for second one. Vishnu and Sushri are playing. Vishnu and Sushri are playing. Vishnu and Sushri play பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. This is the meaning. So first what I need to change, what I need to make? I need to make a negative sentence. For making negative sentence, where I need to put not? Yes, after this be form verb, that is are, and also before the playing, in between this word only the not will come. See, the answer will be like Vishnu and Sushri are not playing, and it's end with full stop. See, here Vishnu and Sushri are will come as it is. Before writing the verb ing, the playing, I need to put not and then only the verb will come. So Vishnu and Sushri are not playing. This is a negative sentence. So now let's make the question sentence. In the question sentence, we need to find the which is the be form verb is available here. Here are is the be form verb. Am I right? So this are will come first and then only we are going to write this one. See, the question sentence will be like are Vishnu's N and Sushri's S should be capital because name's first letter should be in cap. Are Vishnu and Sushri playing? And it should end with question mark. See, Vishnu and Sushri are playing is the normal sentence. While making into the question, I need to put this are first and whole subject here. Vishnu and Sushri is the subject. So this will come first and the subject will go next and then only the verb and which comes with question mark. Are will come first, then subject and then the verb. Are you clear? It is very easy only, children. I know you are getting the answer in your mind. So let's do the third one, okay? Third question, you are learning to draw. You are learning to draw. நீ வந்து draw பண்ண கற்றுக்கொண்டிருக்கிறாய் நம்ம சொல்வோம் இல்லையா தமிழ்ல. That is the meaning, okay? So what I need to make? Yes, I need to make a negative sentence. For making negative sentence, what do I need to add? I need to add not after the be form verb. Here, which is the be form verb? Can you see any is, am, are or was were verbs? Yes, there is are. So after are, I need to put not. See, the answer will be you are, then only we put not, you are not, then all other words will come as it is. Learning to draw and ends with question mark. First you need to check which be form verb is present here. Here are is the be form verb. After are I need to put not. So that it will become the negative sentence. See, now read out the sentence. You are not learning to draw. It is the negative sentence. Okay. So next what answer we need to write? Yes, question sentence. So we have already find out here are is the be form verb. So this are will come first and then only the subject you. This only going to interchange and all other will come as it is. So are you all other words learning to draw. Are you learning to draw is the question sentence. So what we did? We have interchanged the are in the first place and you in the next place and then all other words. So it became the question sentence only. So let's do the fourth one. Neelu is painting a picture. Neelu வந்து ஒரு picture paint பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Okay? Can you find the be form verb? Is, am, are or was were? Yes. what is it? Yes, here it is. So first I need to make it out the negative sentence. Can you tell me what will be the answer? Yes, I need to put what? Not. Where? After the is only. So the answer will be Neelu is not painting a picture. Neelu is not painting a picture. It is the negative sentence. Okay. So after is we have put the not. So it became the negative sentence. So let's make the question sentence. For making this question sentence, which two words is going to interchange? Which is going to interchange? Yes, this two one is going to interchange its place. So is will come first. Then Neelu. Is Neelu, and all other will come as it is. Is Neelu painting a picture? Is Neelu painting a picture is the question sentence only. So I hope you are clear with this exercise, children. Keep in your mind, whenever you are making the negative sentence, you need to put the not after the auxiliary verbs or be form verbs only. Then it became the negative sentence, and for making the question sentence in continuous form, you need to put the be form verb, that is, am, are, was, were in the subject place, and the subject will come in the next after the be form, and all other words will come as it is, and it should end with question mark. So I hope you are clear with this exercise. Try to do the fifth question by yourself. That is also the same method only. I'll see you